Happy and fantastic day, dear children. Today we are going to see the question answers of how the dog found himself a new master. Shall we see, dear? Your first summary: how the dog found himself a new master. Once upon a time, dogs lived in the forest like the wolves. They were their own masters. Then, one day, there happened to be a dog who did not like this sort of life. He did not like to be always looking for food. He was sick of remaining frightened by those who were stronger. He thought over the problem. Then he decided to become the servant of one who was stronger than anybody else. He went on walking. He met a big wolf. The wolf asked him where he was going. The dog told him that he was looking for someone to take up service with. He asked the wolf if he could be like his master. The wolf agreed to take him as a servant. They walked and walked until they came across a bear. Seeing the bear, the wolf had hid himself. Hide, past tense is hid. The wolf hid himself in a bush. The dog was much surprised. He asked the wolf what the matter was. The wolf said that the bear could eat both of them. When the dog saw that the bear was stronger than the wolf, he left the wolf. He went to the bear to be his servant. Soon after, he found that the bear was afraid of the lion. So the dog decided to serve the lion. The lion agreed to it. He lived happily with the lion for a long time. It was a good life. Just as the dog had wanted, the lion was the strongest beast in the forest. No one dared touch or defend the dog. One day, the dog and the lion were walking side by side along a narrow path. The lion smelt a man and told the dog to run away with him. Otherwise, they would be in trouble. So the dog said goodbye to the lion and went to man. Since then, the dog has been staying with man as his most loyal servant and knows no other master. Right. Now the question and answer. Why did the dog feel the need for a master? The dog felt the need for a master because he was sick and tired of wandering about alone, looking for food and afraid of those who were stronger than him. Who did he first choose as his master? Why did he leave that master? The dog first chose a big, strong, and fierce wolf as his master. Once the dog saw that the wolf was afraid that the bear would eat them up, since the dog wanted to serve only the strongest, he left the wolf and asked the bear, who was stronger than the wolf, to be his master. Why did he choose next? He chose the bear to be his. Who did he choose next? Sorry, dear. He chose the bear to be his next master. Why did he serve the lion for a long time? He served the lion for a long time because he found there was no more powerful and stronger than lion in the forest, and so no one dared to touch the dog or offend him in any way. Therefore, the dog lived happily by serving the lion for a long time. Who did he finally choose as his master and why? He finally chose man as his master because one day he realized that lion was afraid of man. As he wanted to serve someone who was the most powerful and stronger than anyone on earth, he chose man as his master. Right? Textbooks exercise. Summary of story is given below. Now you have to fill in the blanks to complete it, taking appropriate phrases from the box. What are the phrases here? A dog stronger than anyone else, the strongest of all, a wolf, the bear, afraid of man, his own master, a lion, right? This is the story of, we'll see the answer for this, okay? This is the story of a dog who used to be his own master. He decided to find a master stronger than anyone else. First, he found a wolf, but the wolf was afraid of the bear. The dog thought that the bear was the strongest of all. After some time, the dog met a lion who seemed the strongest. He stayed with the lion for a long time. One day he realized that the lion was afraid of man. To this day, the dog remains man's best friend. Now, working with the language, each word in the box given below indicates a large number of dashes, that is collective noun. For example, a herd of cows refers to many cows. Complete such each of the following phrases with a suitable word from the boxes. We call this as collective noun, isn't it? School, fleet, brood, bundle, bunch, pack, flock, herd. A dash of ships, fleet of ships. A dash of flowers, a bunch of flowers. A dash of chicks, a brood of chicks. A dash of cattle, a team of cattle. A dash of sticks, a bundle of sticks. A dash of sheep, herd of sheep. A dash of fish, a school of fish. A dash of wolves, a pack of wolves. Now make nouns from the words given below by adding ness or ity, right? This is prefix. Now honest, honesty. Kind, kindness. Cruel, cruelty. Calm, calmness. Sad, sadness. Active, activity. Creative, creativity. Sincere, sincerity. Cheerful, cheerfulness. Bitter, bitterness. Sensitive, sensitivity. Great, greatness. Now, word search. There are 12 words hidden in this table. 6 can be found horizontally and the remaining 6 vertically. All of them are describing words like good, happy, etc. The first letter of these words are given below. H, R, F, F, S, G. We'll start with horizontal, right? Horizontal H, hasty. F for fierce, S strong. Again S for frightened and G for good. I hope you can see this. All horizontal, right? Next comes vertical is angry, surprised, worse, then loyal, quiet. So all these comes under vertical. Now find the opposite of these words in the text above. Ancestors, opposite word is descendant. Wild, tame. Ancient, modern. Near, distant. Suddenly, gradually. Complete the following sentences. The dingo is dash. The dingo is the wild dog of Australia which looks and behaves like domestic dog. But actually it is a wild dog, behaves like domestic dogs. And the second one is dogs were the dash animals tamed by dash humans. Dogs were the first animals tamed by humans. Other animals tamed by humans are wolf, fox and coyote. Think and name some other such animals. That is what wolf, fox and coyote. The word New World refers to Australia. Dogs were brought there from Asia. Now family tree of dogs. Carnivores. Seal. The first figure is seal. And the second one is raccoon. And the third one is hyena. And dog, canine family. This dog belongs to canine family. And this is panda. And the next one is bear. Next is wolf, fox, coyote, jackal and wild dog. All these are wild animals. Okay. So that's the end of the lesson, dear. Thank you so much.